Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert PDF to Excel using sejda online PDF editor. Firstly, type sejda.com and go sejda PDF editing website, and here you will find this all tools option. Click here and then you will find this PDF to Excel option. Click here and upload your PDF file. Click upload PDF file. So my PDF file. The PDF file already uploaded. Now click OK. All tables in a single spreadsheet, and now click convert to Excel, and finally click download option. Download your Excel file. This Excel file already downloaded. Now open your Excel file. This is my Excel file. I have converted PDF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.